The original iPhone started with just one swiping gesture, and 11 years later, we now have a bunch of them with Apple's latest iPhone lineup, making the iPhone experience as intuitive as possible. Let's go through each and every one of them. Before even unlocking your iPhone, you can swipe left from the right edge to access your camera. It's the full camera app and you can even see the photos you've just taken, but you'll have to unlock the phone to see the rest. To get back to the lock screen, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Now you can swipe right from the left edge and access your widgets. Here you can only view them and you won't be able to access apps or add new widgets until you unlock. Next, you can swipe down from the top right to get the control center, where you can do things like quickly adjust brightness, volume, and switch songs without actually needing to unlock it. After unlocking the iPhone by obviously swiping up, you can now swipe left and right to navigate between home pages and get back to the widget screen, where you can now add and remove widgets. You now lose the swipe right to get to the camera swipe gesture, but there's another easy way to get to it without having to find the camera app. Swipe down from the top of the screen to get the notification center. Here, you have access to those same swipe gestures from the lock screen. Swipe right for widgets and swipe left for the camera app. You can also long press or force touch on the camera icon as well. Once you're using an app, you'll see the home bar at the bottom of the screen. You can swipe left and right on the bar to move between open apps. It's not the only gesture for moving between apps on the iPhone though. You can obviously swipe up from the bottom to go back to the home screen and look for your app. Now if you swipe up, stop and release the bar, the app switcher will open. You can now swipe left and right between these cards and choose the app you want. You can swipe up on an app to force close it. You can even swipe two cards at once to close both of them. There's one more feature you can get on your iPhone using a swipe gesture: reachability mode. To enable reachability, go to Settings, General, Accessibility, and in the Interaction section, you'll see reachability. You can swipe down from the home bar or the bottom of the screen if you're on the home page to activate it, which will put the top of the screen down so you can more easily do things like access the control center and tap on icons near the top of the page if you're using just one hand. And there you have it. There are all the swipe gestures on Apple's latest iPhones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
If you enjoyed this video, like it and hit that subscribe button. Also, check out our price guide, which makes it extremely easy to find the best deals on Apple products, updated daily. Be sure to follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.